What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the 2022 Ram 1500 with the new GT variants with TRX features and performance upgrades. Now the Ram 1500 lineup is expanding for the 2022 range as the company has introduced the new Laramie GT and Rebel GT, described as customized performance trucks straight from the factory. Now these models feature a number of upgrades, including items from the Ram 1500 TRX. Now available exclusively in a crew cab configuration, the trucks are distinguished by a ventilated hood and GT decals, but the bigger changes occur in the cabin as the GT variant trades a rotary shifter for a console mounted performance shifter, and drivers will also find steering wheel mounted paddle shifters and metal pedals. And rounding out the highlights are the front bucket seats with the GT badging and all-weather floor mats. Now last but not least, the infotainment system has come with performance pages that provide real-time vehicle performance information and a 0 to 60, 0 to 96 kilometer timer. Now the information can be also downloaded onto a USB stick for later viewing, but both models are powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 with mild hybrid technology, and while that's not too unusual, the GTs are equipped with a factory installed cold air intake and cold end exhaust. Ram didn't mention any specific games, but the Mopar part listing for the cold air intake says that it increases airflow, power, and torque, and this suggests that the truck could now have more than 395 horsepower, 291 kilometers, and 400 PS, and 410 pound-feet, 556 newton-meters of torque. Now the trucks will go on sale in the third quarter, and pricing starts at $55,375 for the Rebel GT, while the Laramie GT begins at $55,480, both excluding the $1,695 destination fee. But with that said, what do you guys think about these small performance upgrades from factory for the 2022 Ram 1500? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the Laramie GT and Rebel GT upgrade items from the Ram 1500 TRX. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo. Just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel, I appreciate the love as always. Now you guys can also support by checking out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want to get tote bags, t-shirts, fanny packs, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video.